I'm totally new to raised bed gardening and just purchased an 8-foot by 4-foot by 1-foot bed. I plan to grow some cauliflower and cabbage and other fall vegetables. Can anyone give me ideas on how to fill the bed without going broke? I have a couple of really good looking types of soil in my backyard. If I can use some of that, I have a lot of oak limbs and leaves, pine straw, and layers of mulch from years past of mowing. All that is aggravating to stuff too. Yeah, I really would like some appreciated advice.
I would not use the backyard soil.
Right. As we've talked about previous times on this program, if you're going to make a raised bed or you're going to use containers, the whole purpose of that is to bring in good material, whether that a company has composted that or you've bought it in bulk material. This whole modge podge of trying to piece together, okay, I've bought this bed, I'm going to pick a number here, $100 bed. Now I need to fill it, and it's going to cost me, I'm going to pick a number, $80, which that's way high, because if you buy in bulk, typically a yard of compost is, let's say, $40 on the high end, and a 4-foot wide by 16-foot long by 12-foot bed is like 2 cubic yards. So let's say $80 for it. Anyway, this is an investment. If you were a mechanic and you were fixing cars for fun, you wouldn't put the El Cheapo part you bought from Temu on your car, would you? You would buy the $100 part to put on, because that is how it's going to perform and have longevity and operational mechanical ability. The same thing with your soil. It is an investment. You're going to put money towards that soil. And if maintained and taken care of, you can get 3-4 years out of that soil by rotating it, adding additional compost that you've made. You might have to supplement a little bit. You're going to add fertilizer to it. But doing this, I'm buying a raised bed. Now I'm going to put junk in it to save me money. You're no better off than just digging a hole in the backyard and just planting in that hole.
Yeah, I agree. You want to start fresh.